Good evening and welcome to our another video lesson about some useful functions which help you to handle topography and geographical coordinates. This is very simple line without topography, so I should input it, and there is no coordinates, geographical coordinates. Sometimes it's very useful to have it in project. So there is a, as you know, maybe there is a special submenu to work with topography where you can input elevation for every electrodes or import 2 columns file. And, this is basic. This is basic window for working with topography. It's most often used by our users, and used to, if you have a column in Excel, you can copy it right here in real time to get topography work in your project. But if you have not enough point, or you have just several points with elevation, you can use this hint. For example, here I have only 3 points with elevations. Sorry, this. What I can do, I can copy 2 columns, distance plus elevation, and use Control X keys to insert it and interpolate. So now I have a full line filled with elevations. Of course, it's interpolated and simply extrapolated. There is no data. And this is it. Now we have topography for full line, entire line, and we use only 3 elevations. Remember, this is Control X combinations of keys, and it should be 2 column copied from Excel. Another stuff is geographical coordinates. It also can be incorporated here. Now it's not checkbox, now it's button. You just should press on it to show 2 extra columns. You can copy UTM coordinates to here in the same way from Excel for every electrodes, or you can include just few of them. So it's maybe minimum end and start points. And now it could be not only UTM coordinates, it can be longitude and latitude. For example, I have here 2 points, and format here can be different. It can be in radian, it can be in degrees and seconds, milliseconds, and it can be short version of it with just a dot point. So I copy it here, for example, for last and for first and last, 46 points. Now I can convert it to UTM coordinates, and now I can interpolate for all empty values. Okay, now I have both topography, elevations, and geographical coordinates. It's no any limitation on the shape of its of this line. It's not necessary to be straight line. You can use any curved lines and it will be displayed in this way. Okay, now we can check it in our 3D fence diagram and we can see, yes. So now we have correct UTM zone because we used longitude and latitude, and we can see map and how it looks like on the map. Well, another topography function is if you have deal with a lot of topography points in your line, and for example, for some aquatic walk, you use echolot, and there is some problems sometimes with data, elevation data. It could be some spikes in data, some errors, and you have a lot of data and you can't just edit every point in the table, so we can suggest you this graphic editor. Of course, here is a very simple elevation line. It's not like thousands of points. I just show you can edit it here with mouse. You can select some part of points and you can smooth this selection or linearly interpolate it. For example, I will use spline interpolation. I think it's here will be more clear. And now I can apply this to my project. So this is all about these useful functions for topography, and it also can be used in seismic software. First group of functions is represented in seismic software zone is T2D. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.